Mirarinye ngabande bonna nabayaye agaranga tiveine lavo ngujastiwe no barebera ninyenyine ravunyenka hati numwekunda kana nabishunguzi nibishunguraje. They go in good studios, we go in good studios, we do good production, good videos. So I think we are offering 100% of what they need.
So talking about Chabeshongoza kweshongoraje, like what are those talents aba kujuruti so and so
bashaba mugire bintu ebimwahinduramu. When you're hosting artists ninga some figures mureke munonga kubarabya mwamesho ninga kubagamba hebigambo bikubiha amani, because ko kungamba ikigambo kikunyiha amani no bawita my love, my passion for what I'm doing.
Alright, it's Ankole Media TV. This I must over this vaccine one savage on it. Yes, whoever you following, whoever you subscribing, yes, whoever you liking, sharing, whatever chokora chane chamano we Ankole Media all over the place. So kaburizu imba tambrana savage ya camera. Savage nyenda wande nje mbaretera mbuke ko mura savage. Nabal behind the scenes. A bit candid is over. I'm so blessed on the show today. I've been joined by one Geeon all the way from Arizona management. Not so?
Yeah, man.
So abatakuma Geeon akiza ile mission
asino jirano wa mission weka
mission mirari nye
jano noreba bwiro butinye nabenyine ravunyenka ubire bwa hamirari
yabo ine ravunyenka abana kabatajine
ako nyungani ntekateka nguravinyi nabandi tubajine
ko waje kusanga
nashanga ngukandi ninye muyayi kada bandi.
So Geeon twakwakira Ankole Media
ashimira kuba Ankole Media TV
and abantu batende bebuza Geeon where have you been, because ni mchaga kuri posts zawe always based in Kampala na no chilinga na ba corporate abantu nenda kumanya where have you been.
Ndio musically nkora mpora nikora pesi yanje nyotinyira pressure nkora pesi yanje kunkama indire nimba ndio aga jobs.
So ntuza kutandikira cha the last time ukaba president wa Uma sort of something like that.
Uma was the Uganda Musicians Association. Yeah, by then kutandika Uma tukantwenda twete rumranga so that government eture ninga nitubamanye ngutubasa kwekora mu murugo mu region yitu ya Western Uganda. But finally wire kubizira n'ubuyongero mu misho Edikenzo na nabantu timu ya ashtamire bari tekiteso cyo kora federation. So we had to join him because federation yone tware bina byone byabeshongozi, so umurango gutwagurikiza kandi twagendana n'icyo cyabekiro.
So eventually cyo cyahindura
cyo ngira guti cyakine makuru shahezi kunka ahatekero ikiruho kiri yamuramwa no ku Rwanda amateka ga corporate ya music yihanga yona kureba ngo yaba in existence na music kureba ngo music yitobeshongozi nibagitungamo.
So then speaking about music, the last time you released the song was on 14th March. Yes, no man, we music ya Western Uganda ni manjine byo munda nebya year, that was Chunde Nyugu. Yes, since then abantu batwinibebuza because it's now December almost to going to wimara umwaka abantu batwanabebuza ekintu kirumu ninga kokugamba no chikora pesa yo kuchenda
atiganga mbere twinabeshongozi bayinje mu yangomu nzakwiriza cyo kureberaho katugire nka A pass na software imyaka nkesha tatashize cyeshongoro Juliana Kanyumozi. We have like these message semakulas, we have abeshongozi n'bengi and shahezi ko kuza kureba ushanga nga Juliana Kanyumozi yaza gukora show nuje kushanga ngo show yakuza gukora nashashuze mitwari 10 makomi yabera entrance kandi ushanga yijwire. So tinda pressure ya song after song
ugambye cha time aho mana kuchanga because ni echeche song cha 14th March the last time obundo bwoheruka echabe chukura tininga chako kwatera culturally injire April 2021. That was umbiro bwa lockdown somehow kana bacheta was it umwiro wanje sort of
nango hari hebeshongoro bingi ku lockdown nyine chike ku remix cyeshongoro cya nabyo kinagarikiremo cyampere kinagarikiremo nyine kibakweta icupa aha then nyine umwiru wanje then nyine Chunda, so Chunda niye latest so far.
Nija tujya twakatwarebaho on August 25th organizing a show yabiri yo muri Kampala. You are celebrating 12 years of music industry. Abantu nibebuza no celebrating what 12 years za General Geeon into manko meshongozo wa Western Uganda, then you even that event ogikoro muri Kampala kikabashige kibuza mu yabantu bingi, but so ikibuzo cyanyu njanto mushaka mweburize nababuza on behalf of you akaba na celebrating emyaka 12 ariyo industry ya Western Uganda kuka yaji celebrating jira Kampala was somewhere around gomanya kana the former
Tiles Lounge, former 400 Bukoto. Celebrating 12 years in music industry, it was not more of my fans, it was more of my diehards and my friends to come have fun with me. So eketa concert ninge eketa show iriaho konka ninte kanasa kuja gukora concert because naza gukora concert niza kubanza mu Western Uganda hopefully next year. Ndiyo ni kiri mu pipeline, ndiyo ni planning, so with time njya nza kuhereza ebiro na nobwire ndi arabutukuza kora so ekiriya kikakiri okuzaguza imyaka 12 mbuhereza na nabeshongoza abenjya bunkozere nabo banywano banje. Almost all of Western Ugandan artists were there.
End of that post it was some long script, and then Hera Wiza and Nizanari was something like there was something like some sort of beefing with Valley Music. What was it? Because kinda you were because it has now become something monotonous about complaining Valley Music and his discipline, and you had something to share about that on post ya weju chikacha jiranka hiyo na Valley mkatana kamtu
na Valley na wakija ngo wabeshunguza abantu bizire to perform, but ningirangu na sakubaine ukwakutwaza ninge mtwe yo kwakwetwaza and tukugira ngo buri muntu uko kumwetwariza ho kwakira uko wamwetwariza. So his approach towards after show carry a bit disrespectful na kundabya mamisho ngutena mushashura nkaba kwatsa abantu all abishongozi bona either babene kutunga transport ababene kushashurwa nkaba kwatsa abantu ayo babakira ababene kushikiraho bakabashashura if katugire ngo tubaramuhereze sente zyaberene kutunga ezagamba then akana basa kundonda in person namba yanje in person nanguno bwakugitera intagikwatsira the moment but akaina abantu abyabe namanya abasa kunya approaching tindi umuntu uri kubura kandi sente zagambe zakubanja zo sente zinkubasa kurya najamusha nango neyiguta.
How much was that?
I promised him kumuhereza facilitation y'emitwaro 20 bakireba, and then this thing ahereze abantu bashashura abantu ningira tubaramushashwira but that was not the good approach over me na mununga nkanye kitinisa cyanje izina ryanjye rinkorera imyaka ndiyo ni celebrating 12 years ashimeye kuba na respecting not only me nko mweshongozi ubundi na asafuteka ngo nyondi mweshongozi mbi but others akubande nkareba sometime back alikuwa attacking rage nabandi beshongozi ningira
music ngwari some kind of character unreal character
unreal character nkahi Western Uganda kuno jyawo ni tutiketwaza tutyo kuri tutaro Abanyankore. That's why we are leaders. Itumuko witu mukuru wanje tingu mujuma tatata kungambira kigambo kamugaraka munira karingwa mawe takunjuma kamugaraka we are leaders, we are there to be ruled. Ekintu kukubura chaenda kuteganisa nugira abantu abo washitama nabo no yeto umuntu ogu sorting that issue charema. There are so many options. You can either go to the police, you report a case, and then they call that person.
So which means Valley Music yanshabe yakozere no kugira ngo kuraninga kaza eshonga kazitwara
about ezo characters manya abana nurule whatever, I don't care. Ezezo tuzikora na munonga kuno witu mu burengero izoba na munongo mu Banyankore yana hora nakenda kweshongorera Banyankore kutunga fan base ngaito atungire ninge tutungire. Discipline should be paramount. Not only him, even other artists. Akwani to kurtari to arzeti ne to bundi kurtari yeki. Ninga tingu beni celebrating emyaka 12 ngagita hantu kashanga abantu watunga abantu 15. You're just celebrating turangire na TV, turangire na radio, just one on one, your friends. Wachireba aba bantu abo kutunga that social capital yaba bantu, it's not a simple thing. Not every artist can kwemeraho ngwibo tuwaranga na TV tuwaranga na radio tuwa kora bintu kora bikuranga concert. It's just banywani bawe and you're celebrating and you get that turn up of audience, then that's a social capital. So umeshongozo tine social capital, umeshongozo taku respecting even clients be ninga bagenzi babeshongozo bagenzi be, then if you are unruly really ningirangu tinkwamyangu with future umeshone na basa kwija kuba umweshongozo murungi. He's a good artist. Think basa kubenga numweshongozo mbi numweshongozo murungi. But na aine kumanya haine koma. And ya na mawa antaba aine kubifinga aine kubona matu muntu ogu unkubifinga ntshana characters. Kora yemera kanjuma na wona azagar kanjume. Eze nkora zikarga hotu zacho.
Yeah. So that's what you have to expect from a legend like him. Yeah, a legend is a teacher, a legend. Industry na baine roles nyingi is a beyond singing. So then mbire kuruga music kare kurugo bwatanga kuruga obwiro bwasha kwa stepping aside ninga so bwato utataho too much attention obwiro bundangu Western Uganda developing hinabana babiri born. The industry has gave back to many talents, many songs. So far your industry no jerebe because ni manyangu naho kuboroho na whatever angle yono yo kuborumu as an artist or not ni mayangu. There is what you make of the industry so far. How is it?
Nyenda kubanza kufutereza ikintu kimwe. I've never retired from music, that's one. That's why nikugirangu umwaka ogu nimbasa wanyine mubishunguro bikanga bishatu ningabana. So ufichi nabeshunguzo benje bakora batyo. But ningirangu abantu abengi beine entekateka kugirangu umeshunguzo yatafutura muri mbara. Obwiro bwingi na batakeshongora.
As long as abatakurebera sine.
Icya kabiri no shanga ngo hariho values ezkweyongeramo. Kunda naza Kampala umuntu aba clients baitu no bakira futereza sentage wakubena kwereza miliyoni emwe ningo wamanyiriye kugira ngo Geeon nimbaza kumuhereza miliyoni emwe ni akubarra amashita akubarra tekateka nezo kuza kushaza atko kwemera wambarra amashita kurga Kampala wijaha facilitation ni kurara biha wija nabantu rerere aza kwenda shangana umushaba sente nyingi options are there. Wachireba hata na nchimperezo ku relaxing to make my audience could building ampora so that when I come out with something abantu babanyiniriro na nekishika kugira ngo bandebe. So ikintu cyo nanyenda kubanza clearinga ikindi wogize ngo
then industry so far you ugireba
industry ya Western Uganda think hamwe even naba fans they are complaining really ikintu cyo atandikire ningirangu nyowe nkanyi no bunabe ni celebrating emyaka 12 ninye nabe nikirayo kuba nshemerero tinye natandikire music ya Western Uganda abagitandikire barho nabamwe bakargaho kunka abamwabuturebeyireho nkabacaz nkabacharite ngabatindatine bugabo kufu beinum hando gubatiriho. But generation yanje na with other few artists encourage na nabanda bizire at least contributing rich hangu mnonga to the extent ngu music ya urengero izoba hati umur Kampala itkweta central tofutera byeshunguru 13 mbyeshunguru biri by'Abanyankore. So I believe and I'm so happy for Western Uganda, even abahagizi actually Abanyankore kureka ngumfireyo mwasharamu mwa supportinga abana banyu. Even na concerts bakora ziba successful. I've seen Kacheche's concert, I've seen Rage's concert, I've seen a lot of events that
I don't know there's an upcoming one kuza kuba 20th January Rastachas.
So kureba kangwezo events ziba successful really icyo kikachi tarha Western Uganda hati numwekunda kana nabeshunguzi nibeshunguraje Hey, they go in good studios, we go in good studios, we do good production, good videos. So I think we are offering 100% of what they need.
So talking about kweshongoraje, like what are those talents about kujuroti so and so, but nimbasa so and so is nice, like I want to also kweza credit. So
I can't mention all, but what I can tell you, we have good artists. Good artists tuina beshongozi bengi barungi ba Omega no bareba ba T-Paul 256 mwana no Truth, and some other young artists nabeshongozi bengi, but even upcomings, we have good upcoming artists. Twachine mweshongozo mungu gunu muhango ningo good ni chazi no warho ningo gun nanka options zirho.
Then abantu nabasa kwebuzana now what has been the difference obiro mwa ibintu mukora music and music ero consundati this time around music abana nabagirango it's becoming so urban, like in that urban vibes ninji kusanga ngo aronka beshongozi nkaba agaba banjo wanda JR, like what has been the difference from the music you used to do back in the days and what is being done today?
Music it haven't kora back in days, in some few years back, can't gereza more time and we could give out a good message out for the people. Yes, because we had a lot of time. Icyo nyo basa kwamza kugira ngo music itweshongora hati mainly yitweta urban mtfa no kurwana na tracks ebidongo ekiri ya trend ekumuvinga niki but shange tari yo character but we go with it ko kutera ekidongo kirungi wachitamu good message, people will receive it. So echechi nikigendana n'umurembe empinda hinduka yense tukuzaguma ntoshongora kadongo kamwe abo kugira ngo nico cyamanyirizibwa abantu. So we have to advance and we go with the situation embere kubera. Yeah,
I don't know if you feel offended, but there's some clips as in going about TikTok, like are you a father now, like
a father as in
like are you a family man, because in there
sure, I have a family, I have kids, I have mama.
How many how many, because it fans about to curious fan when
mushija tubambarira abana kandi na family yanjye tindi muntu uri kukira ku exposing into public kunga nyine family nyine abana. So that's what I can say.
So it's like when step aside, guys. Shy in a family. And then so that was the man himself for you. Industry nko kujireba yagambira ngo there is no big difference, just nabugira ngwensi nebe ino kwinuka, because that is the fact of life. So ebigambo byaye bukheruka yabantu abakutureba your fans.
Yeah, abahagizi banje nimbasima okunda music yanjye since obuto atandika Christianesha has, and ninsima mostly ba fans zaba nibibe bitantugamba ba fans ninka ba maraya. I'm sorry to say this, musasira mwaba abukira offending ngira baza kunsasira ninga ba fans ninka ba boda boda, they don't have program. Numbugana na arigaka kuba umugaranya mitanga umugana na arigoku umugaroku, because which arho na agenda na nichiru right there. So but I greatly thank my diehards for being there for me. Those diehards ni manyisa umuntu kwagira since you started paka ukakura ukarugo mbwana ukashwero ukagira mukazo ukagira abana ukaba mukuru ukingana nawe ningo bumuka mukira bakire akagumana akukunda kandi ari kwagira music yawe oba wakererwa kurete kishongoro oba wakiretera umbwire akagumara umunywani wa patient for that. I really appreciate and I thank them so much, and I thank my fans who support, who loves my music actually. So nimbakunda mnonga, keep that spirit, mwe bari kunda music ya burengero izoba muhagira beshonguza abandi aba burengero izoba abene music nungi muhagire music yitu muhagira beshonguza banyu tukurakurane. That's all we need. So nisima na Western Ankole Media TV for always, actually for always, and nimbashaba mugire bintu ebimwahinduramu when you're hosting artists ninga some figures mureke munonga kubarabya mwamesho ninga kubagamba hebigambo bikubiha amani, because ko kungamba ikigambo kikunyiha amani no bawita my love, my passion for what I'm doing. andi cya kabiri noba uine ebironde bwatu mu mutima gwanjye kushanga mutiyo ino bucyayi bosiga ngabuyinzo butavawo ekitegeera so instead motivate us motivating kora areba hu nyine nshobi nka Geeon I'm your friend ndi badeo nyetangira ati Geeon you know what this and this and this is not right bachireba negativity yes it's good abantu nibyo bakwenda but
aroba team byone se wetakwenda kurama hure marunje wande ta headline kugira ngo wajangu Geeon has a new song je video nagitambuka then Geeon yanarwana rombara aho ntara
cyakwenda so hata ababo nyo think ubenda akuba tubini kiba kunyongeraho think basa kombeke kintu cyanje for years then ukija nyuma abazi uyuri nukikambura aho instead nakuvugana za kwemiga aho kubanywa aho think uzanara think
nota Geeon tabanaka nota threatening amu is that not a case
no it's not a case think wendo kwato mu mboga zanjye tanabire
by the way that is unprofessional journalism because twina abantu abakubukira ikintu bubukira but
so ikintu cyo ngubashaba kugira ngo mugeze ukongera to motivate mungire mu abantu muhimbo na namane ni kugira ngo nangu manahika muri mbara really I had something to say I feel like I should call you guys we meet and I give out something than always kuzaho mukatanika kugamba abeshongozi ogwakagwa oguteine sente ogunomushuma ogwaguziriki then so what really it's so embarrassing and I hate that kind of culture na mnonga Western Uganda kibe kitariho
ngo kwakigamba trend nchigumani charanda kikari antonde so before you know it it's here
kigarika kibe kibini cyo kurebera hata kenzo yarije yabe narwana mutajyangu umweshongozi kuza kurga yakazi umeshuga kamera karwana mutajyangu nabashimerewe no mugamba hebigambo bibi kusasa umutima gwe and it's not good na wayina bazire ayina abana ayina abantu abakumukunda ayina abantu abakumuhagira ayina abantu abamwetoruyire naba bakushasha wano mugamba webigambo bitare birungi so ekintu cyo nanyenda kuhabura mukaki kugira ngo in case
at NKORE Media we don't blog it NKORE Media we just host one cyo gambo kiri aha think telling a story in the third person point of view ni nani ngamba tinjanti tugunda no nyama ni wano gambo I General Geeon ekino gamba yona sentence ziri mu
if wow we information nayo mpurireho wambugana jimbuzi because I'm the one to tell the fact that ikintu kiri kitena kiti
when you watch explain becomes more trusted
tukwemerera kuriya ukantemere nku zirumwa amahwa ukampembera ugutakurara ahiguriye ikintu cyutakumanya then na reacting differently then utegatike ngo ninyembi wachireba konka really nkiba kisaso mutima gumweshongozi ningo mutima gondije umuntu ene human so we are human as others konka ntugezaho kurinda ubuntu kurinda tempers but out there you need to learn how to respect us, respect the industry, and we professionalize our job.
And then because think I was hosting umweshongozi nkamulating akagenda asakisha kabanka blog akagumana gamba chonka so I want you to give us a drop to start from here wamirarinye
Wabande bonna nabayaye agaranga tive in love gujusti we no barebera inyenyine ravunyenka.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Geeon for you. Yes, muskatwa extra so na abantu badispax na bangine savija kamera kabudi you see when you see us.